I'm recording. Move that. Right, so what would you do if this vehicle was presented to you?
Run.
Obviously, you always get a bit of junk in the door pockets. Then you go down the side of the seat and see the piles of biscuits and mould and this, and that's underneath the pedal, which is just... Get me a torch, Weird Al. Get me the torch. So if you was presented this car, the outside's quite clean. Oh, I feel a bit sick. So, you've got dog hair, maybe some kind of... Oh, it's... There's chocolate. Is that TV remote? TV remote. Stale cans of pop. I mean, it's just piling up above the seat. Let's go in the back. Let's go in the back. What the Jesus? Wait, let's turn that a bit.
We don't do things by our
Look at this. There could be something living in here. Look, stuff has been jammed in the door and they're not even noticed. Coats.
You're gonna do something, do it properly.
There's no space for people. There's no space for people. Get the boot open, Weird Al. Get the boot open. Oh, it's just... What would you do? What would you do? There's some torches down there, Christmas decorations. There's a people place there. I'm not joking. This. There's like, I don't know if that's human stains or just stains. Stop giggling.
Stop talking.
Wait, let's have a look at this seal.
Human stains are just stains.
The stains upon... Wait, let's go this side. Oh, wait. Oh! Fancy a crisp, Weird Al?
I'm feeling quite peckish.
Oh, I bet you do. Oh, bottles of water at least. Oh, man. Man, there's just no space. There's just no space in this. Biscuits, sir? Or any Gaviscon just because you've got a little bit of heartburn. Oh. Right, we're back again. Wait, turn my torch on. Wait. There's a floor in there. There's a carpet down there. Oh, mate. Do you know what? This customer's an amazing customer, but don't matter how amazing you are, clean your car. That's proper nasty. Oh! I mean, this is what my face has been like while I've just been moving it. It's just been gross. You got a Sky Remote? Wait, hold that up. Sky Remote. Kids probably play up. How clean's your car?